Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today I'm filming and coming from my bedroom. Okay, I have 3 diamond paintings from Diamond Art Gift. It's a budget-friendly company that only does diamond paintings. Okay, they request me to review some products, so we have some special drills over here. We got the boat, the regular boat, and a piece of wax and the drill pen. With that you can do everything. You can drill this. I have to move myself a little bit because we have the drills that we're gonna take a look at them. Okay, so here is the first one. This gorgeous owl. It's a 30 by 30. It's a page partial, and the glue is pretty good. It's a very colorful, cute owl. It has 11 colors, and it has the schematic on the bottom right and the upper left. The canvas is kind of shiny. Let me bring you a little bit closer. If you can see, it will shine. And here is the owl. That's pretty owl, very colorful. Okay. That's a nice, cute little scene. An owl, and it's in a branch, tree branch with flowers and plants. It's a partial because partial means that the whole thing is not drilled. Only the areas that are marked. This area don't have any glue at all. Okay, and you can touch it and see. Here it is. It's a beautiful owl. Okay. Very colorful. Very colorful. Let's see the drills. That's 11, right? So yeah, we have 1 through 11. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, here they are. Here you are. Beautiful, shiny, sparkly rhinestones. Okay, in a variety of colors. If you can notice it on the flat back. Oh, come on, don't lose my focus. Hocus pocus focus. Now we got it. Okay, some tiny teardrops in pink. Some shiny one in orange. Kind of medium size. Some marquees, faceted, which means that the light is gonna bounce back. And those are in clear, and these one are bigger ones in blue, like an aquamarine blue. That's beautiful. That's the first one. I'm gonna put it back on the, well, I can do it later because I have more space in the bedroom. So the next one, what we have for the next one, let's see. Again, we have the regular toolkit, the standard toolkit with the bow, the wax, and the pen. We're gonna take a look at the drills. Oh, that's neat. This one is neat. It's a 35 by 30. This one has 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one has 9 different types of drill or color drills. As you can see. Oh, take a look at this. Oh, the beautiful butterfly. So colorful. So many things to drill. It's another partial. Okay. The glue is very good. Although I do seal these ones. I do seal them. Take a look at this. These are beautiful. And look at the detail in the butterfly. Especially in the animal and in the wings. A lot of detail. But the animal only surrounded you drill. With the legs and everything else. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's take a look at those drills. Oh, come on, where are you? Where are you? I like to show the drills. I don't know, but I like to show the drills, and I love when other YouTube creators show the drills. I love it. I don't mind the crinkling. I don't mind at all. Ooh, this one even has ABs. Take a look at this. Come on. Okay, here it is. Look at these yellows. AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a special effect added to the beads to make it more shine. Here is these gorgeous purple they are, or brown. Here's the green ones. Got some kind of champagne color over here. The big round one. Faceted. These ones are not faceted, but it has some shine on it. This one has faceted, but this one has like they change iridescent. These are teardrops, and they are faceted, so the light is gonna shine through. And these are marquees, small ones, in yellow, also faceted. Okay, the last one, but not the least one. Oh, this is so cute. Many of you are gonna like this one. Here is a standard toolkit. Here we got the special drill. And take a look, this cute. This is a 30 by 30. It's a partial one and it only has 9 colors. Take a look at this, mama. Take a look at me. I'm so beautiful. Oh, you're a queen, alright. You're the queen. I find it even easier here on bed to get rid of these creases because it takes. Take a look at this. I'm so beautiful, mommy. I'm your princess, your queen. Full of love. Beautiful. It's partial. But you can even drill the whisk. And in the paws. Is so cute. Let's take a look at the drills. That's beautiful. That's 9 colors. So let's get started. So beautiful shine, and I'm finding that these rhinestones, the back, there are no scratches. Used to be open when they come in. They are beautiful. Look at the hearts. The hearts yeah, they are faceted. Sorry, I had to look up close. We got these little ones who are pink, like in a flower form. Look at how beautiful they are. Come on. Look at how beautiful they are. We got some marquees over here. Kind of light pink color. And we got some, these ones are small and these ones are kind of a medium size. And these ones are faceted. These ones kind of a green tone to it. So folks, this is it for today. So we got the kitten, we got the owl, and we had the butterfly today. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free of charge if you wish to do. And our comment below. All those things help the channel so I can keep on making these videos. Thank you for coming again, for keeping company to subscribers and non-subscribers. Don't forget to kiss and hug your baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.